guilty, but I committed no crime. They said confessions bring lenience, so they put me on the line. So I protest the massacres at the Tiananmen Square. My friend said, yo, stay away, man. You better not go fucking back there. Oh! Watch this. Would not let me write about my opinions about the state and the freedom of expression they would never tolerate, and the military secrets that I never did steal. I didn't start no violence, no, and there was nobody that I killed, no. So I had a clear account of all abuses of power and the memories of homeland now gone sour. And I only got one weapon, it's so plain for me to see. My only weapon I call poetry. And I don't even know why the truth seems like a lie. In my cell there is no sky. When I was arrested in Shanghai, now in the wealth and privilege, I was not born, but a devotion of freedom and liberty I was sworn. So every emotion is studied, watched and controlled. Who gets paid, who gets disciplined, and who gets rolled. So transmitter beams my coordinates anywhere on Earth, and as radio waves, surveillance, satellite burst. Open up your skull and let some knowledge come in. Yeah, crack open the cranium and let awareness begin. Oh, and I don't even know why the truth seems like a lie. In my cell there is no sky. When I was arrested in Shanghai, when I was arrested in Shanghai, when I was arrested in Shanghai.
Zum Botanischen Garten. Hier noch ein paar schöne Bilder. Ist echt abgefahren. Kleine Nazi-Bärtchen hier an den Plakaten. Ist ja schon schön hier im Botanischen Garten. Wenn das nicht so derbe